Hello friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. Today I'm going to talk about tube compressors from Analog Obsession, 2 or 3 of them, not all of them because there is too much of tube compressors in Analog Obsession. This is a mastering ready wave file that I want to test these compressors on. So Analog Obsession, let's go with YALA first. Dude, what a name.
Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No stress blowing in the wind. Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No stress blowing in the wind.
It's so fast. Even with slow releases, it is so fast. Gain reduction is just happening and turning back to where it started.
Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you.
As I can hear, it is not suitable for higher gain reductions on bus channels or mastering channel. But let's use this high pass filter to cut off these low frequencies.
Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No stress blowing in the wind. Or see me running through the haze.
Nope, not good for this example, but this plugin would work great on rock vocals and hip-hop vocals. It has that tube warms, fast response that is good even with higher release times. It has a fast response, so it would work great in some materials. Overheads or drums room mic. These examples. So let's go check another one. So let's go with Vari Moon. And there is a guide for choosing between fixed attack and released. And we have a DC threshold here, AC threshold here. DC threshold switches between ratios. AC threshold is threshold. The threshold. So I'm going to choose the fifth option and let's go check.
Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No stress blowing in.
Usually for mastering it's suitable to go with auto settings, but here I'm trying to find a good release time to have a better breeze on the compressor.
Stand up, smoke and drink, and that I'm not what you may think. I don't know how this will be. I always thought I'd never lose you. What you get is what you'll see. I won't change just to suit you. No stress blowing in the wind. Or see me running through the hayfield. That's your dream, but that's not me. I won't change just to suit you. You're sorry, I don't waste the left.
It's sounding amazing on this mastering track. This compressor is really versatile. Vari Moon from Analog Obsession. You can basically use this compressor on everything. I like tube compressors or tube-based equalizers and compressors, audio quality and audio behavior. In nowadays music that most of recordings are in a home studio that usually doesn't have warm preamps to warm up vocal and add characters to it, it is important to don't forget the effect of this kind of plugins. This will help vocal, drums, synths, or whatever you have, as you can hear, be focused, be punchy, and it works for everything. It just sounds great. And you can always switch between these fixed settings. Don't worry about the limitations. No, I can't choose the attack and release that I want. It's not the problem. Problem is, even when you can choose the attack and release, compressor doesn't sound really good. Or even good. We don't want perfection. We just want a good quality or good sounding plugin. So this plugin has them all. It kind of worked like a summing bus that finalizes a bus channel and brings up beautiful details, controls audio materials, and makes them be related together. So this one is something like that. So you can use everywhere. So as it seems, I don't have other tube-based compressors from Analog Obsession, but I will install some of them for checking with you and explaining the result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.